Unfortunately, it's very hard a little bit to remove the key from the Mac keyboard. Oh my god, no, it's not possible. I tried several times, no luck. Oh my god. I know there's some syrup under this button, but even I couldn't clean it. Sorry. Sorry, little bee. Oh my god. So hard, but I can help you because I scare you. Could you actually bite me? Oh my god. No, 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 no. Actually, more syrup under there. Yes, this button. Yes. Here, under this button, more syrup. No, 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 under button 6. Not 5, but 6. Okay.